Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to add bleed in Adobe Photoshop and save them with trim marks for printing. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video before we begin. Alright, so let's jump into this guide. The first thing you're going to do is to create new file, customize a resolution, make sure that the color mode is in CMYK color because this is for printing. Alright. Now as we can see that the blank canvas is right here, we can just drag and drop our image and then place check. So let's say this image is our album cover for printing. If we're going to print this one right away, this will leave us white borders and white marks and spots to our image. So the first thing we're going to do is to select view, make sure that the rulers show up here, and then use these rulers on the edges of your image, just like what I'm doing right here. Now after that, you go to image, canvas size, and let's add, let's say 6 millimeters, and then make sure that the relative box is checked right here. After that, we click OK, and as you can see that the image is already adjusted. You can select the image, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, make sure that our image fills all the white spaces, just like this one. Now let's check, and then go to File, go to Print to add print marks, scroll down to corner crop marks, make sure to check this box right here, select bleed, choose 6 again, click OK, click done, and there you go. Simple as that. Now just to check, let's save this one as a PDF. And then let's open our file. There you go. We already added bleed to this image or this album cover. And that's how you add bleed in Adobe Photoshop. And it is already saved with trim marks for printing. Now, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you have learned something from this video.